Let's see if little Stamp really can bite the hand that feeds. Go on. Do the honors. Prove to me you're the man Tifa says you are. That you're one of us.
Never said I was. I'm just here for the paycheck.
Then do the damn job! What's wrong?
I'm fine. What about the timer?
Your call, Merc. Pretty cocky, ain't you? You double-crossing!
Heads up!
What in the hell? Hey, how the hell do we fight this thing?
It's got reinforced armor plating, but the internals can be overloaded. Lightning magic.
No other option, huh?
Sorry, it's on you.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Shit!
Should I be worried? I'm the FRAH! Hell yeah! You see the damage that did?
Keep it up!
Ooh, gotta love it.
Take the lead.
Guess it's my turn. This is gonna stir up.
Let's do this. Okay.
Need my help, do you?
I'm waiting. My turn. Try this.
The hell is that?
A barrier? Never seen this defense system before.
Thought you were the expert.
So what's your brilliant plan, genius? Bingo! Focus on that core!
Oh, now he remembers. Don't keep me waiting in suspense next time.
Have this! Brace yourself. Gotta heal up. It's on you.
It's my time to shine.
Or go down in flames.
Damn it! Give them hell!
Hang back. Damn it. Need to heal up soon. Still in it. Never again. Another barrier?
About this.
Won't last long. Gotta heal up when I have the chance. Take the lead.
Need my help, do you? If we don't change it up soon, this thing's gonna kill us both.
Less talking, more shooting.
How about less lift from you?
Not looking good. Not good. Patch yourself up. Heal up and regroup. Now, hit it hard and fast.
Oh, you're in for it now!
Just shoot!
That thunder! You're up!
I got this. Calling fire. Keep it together.
About damn time! Could keep going if I heal up. Give him hell!
Let's do this. Slide. Watch the tail! You don't want to be hit by that laser.
Huh? So, what do we do?
Don't get hit! Take cover behind that debris. Take the lead.
Need my help, do you? Can't hurt. You got this!
My turn. Gotta memorize the attack patterns. Deal with that.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Now,
Bring it
go!
home.
Get ready. You're welcome. Find an opening. So long. Going all out. Need to do something about these wounds. Any last words? Gotta heal up when I have the chance. Heads up! The tail laser!
I see it!
Then take cover already!
Gonna make your eyeball bringing the heat!
Now, go!
Hurry up! Give them hell!
Brace yourself. Military-grade armor and a
Need my
reactor?
help, do you? Coming at you, hard! You're up!
Take it over.
Oh, hell! What's it doing now?
An auto repair unit. Damn it. We gotta take it out quick or we're screwed.
Oh, I am way ahead of you, Merc.
Gotta time our attacks just right. Hold out until you spot an opening. Gotta be there. It's on you.
Yeah, I'll do it. I ain't going down fighting the goddamn Scorpio. When I get my chance, I'm gonna blow this bastard the hell up. And that's a problem.
It's down. Rain hell on it.
Ain't gotta tell me twice.
So long. Let's finish this. Let's do this.
'Cause
That's that.
'Cause 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 You hear that? Damn thing showed you how it's done.
Come on, we've got to move.
Wedge should be covering our way out. Go, go, go!
Concentrate. All right. Shit. It's over. It's never in doubt. You okay?
Do I look okay? Help a girl out, would you? My hero!
Hey! We'll link up over there! Look after Jesse!
Come this way! This route should lead us straight to Barrett. Probably. I think I see an exit. Come on! Don't look back! Let's go, let's go, let's go! We're running out of time!
Shut up and climb. We're not helping.
Sorry, it keeps me focused. I'll freak out if I don't talk.
Have it your way.
Barrett!
I've got you covered! Find us a way out of here!
But then...
Don't worry, I'll be fine. I've got Soldier Boy with me.
X, Soldier Boy.
They're here! Take them down!
We don't have time for this shit! The clock's ticking!
Cool. 5 seconds is all we need. Enough. Keep it together.
Guess it's my turn! You got this!
I got this.
Let's go! The others are waiting. Gotta get the hell out of here ASAP.
Got that right. It's on now.
Fuck on this! Ooh, gotta love it!
You're mine.
Gotta love it!
Let's go. Nothing to it. Let's do this. Steady.
That all you got?
It's on you.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Hang back. That it? Don't get in my way.
Are you trying to start something? Huh?
Keep it together.
Yes, it's my turn. You got this.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Nice trick. That all you got?
Take the lead.
Gotta need my help, do you? Give them hell.
Hang back. Sorry. It's on you.
Yeah, I'll do it. See ya. Oh, we're done here. Sir. Come on!
Doors open. We don't have a lot of time. Wait, people.
Can you walk?
If I couldn't, believe me, you'd be the first to know.
I'll take that as a yes.
Cloud! Okay, that was pretty cool. All right, come on.
Looks like we made it. And with nothing but a few scratches to show. Think you might have overdone it?
I followed the instructions to the letter. Maybe it triggered a reaction with the Mako?
Well, let's hope the city's still in one piece.
But the planet's what matters, right? I mean, this must have helped some.
After all that, it had better have. Anyway, let's get going. We in Sector 8?
That'd be just down there.
All right then, lead the way.
You got it. Huh. Watch out for live wires. They're everywhere.